Alright, I got here a replacement battery for the Snow Joe. Now, my Snow Joe has 48 volts, so it needs 2 of those batteries. They come here nicely packed in this little box. There's number 2. I want to show you quick how this looks like. So it comes with this battery and then a little instruction sheet in how to use them, what to look for safety. And let me show you how they look like. They are for the connection here the same as the original ones. They have a 3 amp hour lithium ion in it with 24 volts. I can show the battery around here. Very nice looking in white. They have the same connections than the original one. Those tabs here to release the battery once you take it out after insertion. There is here the charge port on there where you connect your charger. And then you have here the indicator on how fully charged it is. So it comes half charged, because half charged batteries, 50% charge, that's how you're supposed to store them. Okay, so if you leave them after the winter, if you don't use them anymore, you're going to try to charge them 50% so that you can store them through the summer, and then in the winter when you need them for your snowblower, you're just going to need to recharge them again. Let me show you quick how recharged. I do have for mine one of those fast chargers. Plug this one in here, there. See it in there and in here, and they're going to charge now. You can see here now the blinking LEDs where you see the progress of the charge. On my supercharger here, it's going to go until the lights are green. We're in the charge mode, so we just charge them up for tomorrow, because tomorrow we expect snow, and then we are going to try them on our snowblower. We're going to use them on the Snow Joe. So we are inserting those batteries in our Snow Joe. We go in here like this, push them in until it clicks, and now we are ready to use it. So if you want to eject them, you push those buttons on both sides of the battery and pull the battery out. There it comes out, ready to be charged. And if you push the button, you know how full the battery is.